Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the integrated rate law for a zero order reaction. What is meant by zero order reaction? A reaction in which the rate is independent of the concentration of the reactant over a wide range of a reaction. Range of concentration is called zero order reaction. So, what is meant by zero order? The zero order reaction, the rate is independent of the concentration of the reactant over a wide range of concentration. Now, we are going to derive the zero order rate equation. A gives the product according to rate law. The equation is written as rate equal to K into concentration of A. So, there is independent to the concentration to the raised to the power 0 because it is zero order reaction. So, K is nothing but rate constant. K is nothing but rate constant and A to the power 0, and then the rate equation can be written as decrease in concentration of the reactant by change in time equal to K into concentration of A to the power 0. So, A to the power 0 equal to 1, anything to the power 0 equal to 1. So, this can be written as minus decrease in the concentration of A by change in time equal to K into 1. Now, you rewrite this as decrease in concentration of A equal to K into dt. So, this is considered as the first equation. Now, you have to integrate the above equation. Integrate integrate the above equation with limits. The initial concentration A0 at time t0, at time t equal to 0 and A at time t second. Now, we are going to apply the limit to the above equation. Limit concentration of A0 to A, decrease in concentration of A equal to K is constant, so you have to keep outside 0 to T at dt. So, here the integration and the differentiation is going to be cancelled. So, this can be written as concentration of A from the limit A0 to A equal to K into dt is nothing but T minus 0, and this can be written as concentration of A0 minus concentration of A equal to K into T. So, now you have to bring K at one side, then concentration of A0 minus A by T. So this is the rate constant for the zero order reaction. Now the equation 2 is similar to the equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line. So now you can draw a graph. So y log A0 minus, concentration of A0 minus A equal to KT, y, the equation, straight line equation, y equal to mx plus c. So this can be written as A equal to minus of KT plus concentration of A. So this is taken in the form of y-axis y, and T is taken as x, and this one is intercept of y, and k negative. So now you have to draw the graph between time and the concentration of A, and the y, the A naught is the intercept of y, and negative k is the slope. The k is given in the form of negative value, so that the slope become the negative slope. So this gives the k value. By using the value of this equation, you can draw the straight line. We can find the slope. From the slope you can find the rate of the reaction for the instant time. So this is the equation about the zero order reaction.